My husband is a badass. So, our well pump died Monday night. No water. Replacement? $3,000 to $5,000. My husband? He said, nah, YouTube's got me. He watched some videos, called in the kids, and backed up his work truck, yep, with a crane. Then we started pulling 200 feet of pipe like we were running an oil rig. Was it flawless? Not even close. But we didn't lose a single pipe down the hole. He wired the new pump, lowered it back in, flipped the switch. Boom, water. We saved $5,000 and the kids are joking about starting a water well business. My husband? Confident, badass, and kinda hot when he's fixing stuff. I'm a lucky woman.